Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to block WhatsApp business number. Alright, as you can see here, we have opened WhatsApp. Now make sure that you head over to chats right here, and from here you'll be able to see your contacts, alright, or the recent messages. Just go ahead and tap or click on the person or the number that you wanted to block. For example, here I have here my friend William. I'm going to tap on his message. Then what we're going to do next is just tap on this three dots right here at the top right, tap on it. Then there's a lot of options right here. What we're going to do is just tap on more. And as you can see here, there's a block option right here. Go ahead and tap on that. And there will be a prompt. Block William. Blocked contact cannot call or send you messages. This contact will not be notified. Now, if you want to report, just go ahead and tap on this tick box right here. If not, just leave it. All right. Once done, just hit on block. And as you can see here, you blocked this contact. To unblock this, just go ahead and tap on this particular message. And there will be a prompt as well. Hit on blocked. And once done, you're good to go. And that's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.